Alright, so we're doing an unboxing. Remember the last unboxing from Coach Outlet, we got in this big red Mickey. So here's the catch. I read an eBay listing from an eBay seller, and don't quote me on this at all. She said that Coach only made 90 of these big plush Mickeys. And she's trying to get $1,000 plus $100 shipping. And here's the next unboxing from Coach Outlet. So, I am just uber excited. Yes, this is a small one. So, I'm going to say this, though. There's nothing wrong with getting keychain versions. Yes, they are a lot cheaper. They're still, I want to say personally, they are still collectible. Yeah. Wow. That's the last thing I want to do is yank an arm off of this. I'm not saying this jokingly or anything, because that's what I mean by with anything you buy from a store online. Be careful when you're unboxing, because if you break it right away, a lot of times they're not going to refund you or do an exchange. And just to make you all aware. So here it is, the little version. So it says on the back, Disney times Coach. The brass hardware, stuff like that. So it has that on there. Yes, the big one came with that. I kept the tags. So, this little guy was supposed to come on Wednesday, actually. But, you know, I'm not going to complain when he comes early. So I do have the other version before that came out, like I want to say in February. But yeah, I could feel like that arm right here was real fragile, and you can feel that right there. If you tried taking that foam off too hard, you actually could accidentally tear his arm off, right off the stitches. So, compared to the bears, they're like thick. So that's the two of them. Like I said, and you'll probably hear her just in my live with the boo buckets I'll had done already, I should say. So today I'm going to make a decision if I'm going to get the pre-order Coach Pumpkin bag from Coach Retail, or if I'm going to go get the Mickey Ears face bag from Coach Outlet, or just a Disney shirt from Coach Outlet, and that's if they got the bigger size, you know. I'm not going to, like I'm going to say, sit there and do this 2, we might not get anything because we have to make a $100 and right around $20 payment on that guy this Sunday. So, plus we got the payment for the bee bag, the Rexy bag, and the skeleton bucket, I should say. But next week, I believe the Witch Coach Bear Charm should be the final payment on that one. So, yeah. So, I am going to be listing some bags on eBay. I'm going to try again with the Dooney and Burke in the giraffe print to sell, and the little blue one. No one is wanting them even on Facebook Market nor eBay. I'm going to try on eBay the black Dooney and Burke, and then try, I know I got it not too long ago, the Jacquard newer Coach bag, and try selling that on eBay too. So I don't know what happened. My phone cut it out on me. I don't know. My phone likes doing that to me, but like I was saying is I am going to make that decision because I'm also right at the cap of my budget for bags. So after this, I'm not going to get any more bags until they release the Quilted Tabby probably around March or February. Just for a comparison with my buy now. And you're going to hear this probably before in my live with the Boo Buckets before. I am, after I do the 4 payments on that spring release Quilted Tabby to compare with the buy now ones, I am going to be putting money away towards the buy now bag that'll come out in the fall. So for spring 2025. But we're not going to do a comparison on that one. So that's going to be the thing there. And I rather have enough money to pay in full for that bag than not. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. And don't forget to like, comment, and share a channel, as it would help get my channel out there to people that don't know about it yet. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.